What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about another robot vacuum cleaner. This one is not only a vacuum cleaner, this one actually pulls double duty. Yeah, this one does the vacuum thing, and then this one also can do mopping. That actually helps a lot, especially when you are busy and don't have time to do the mopping by yourself. Then having a two-in-one robot vacuum and mopping is a very convenient thing. This is V3x, a new upgraded edition from ILIFE, and yeah, I have been using this one for the past couple of weeks as I felt like, well, this one offers a very good value for money and offers a very good performance at the same time. I thought, why don't I share this product with my subscribers and the regular viewers. I have left a link of this product in the description box below. After you have finished watching this video, you may go and check the product. But before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. ILIFE V3x robot vacuum and mopper comes with a 79mm ultra thin design. In the front there is a bumper, so yeah, it is protected from any collision. On top there are two buttons. The upper one is an auto button and the other one is the home button. At the bottom there are some sensors and all the sensors works perfectly fine. The two-in-one dustbin and water tank is located at the bottom part. In the center of that there is a dustbin release button. We can press it to easily release the dustbin. On the top of the charging dock there is a signal light, so we can easily understand when it's getting charged and when it's not. It is an eco-friendly design, very easy to assemble, and it actually does all the heavy cleaning duty. There are three different colors which indicates the power level. The LED indicator has three different lights: green, orange and red. If the auto button is flashing in orange, the robot is getting charged. The button will change to green when it is fully charged, then the light goes off and the device goes into sleep mode. As it is a two-in-one vacuum and mopping machine, it can pick up floating dusts and mop up stubborn stains for a very thorough clean. Various vacuuming and mopping modes are available to meet our daily cleaning needs. In auto mode, it prevents repetitive cleaning with gyro navigation. In edge mode, it targets walls and corners along with all the fixed objects. And there is this spot mode, which is suitable for ground environment where garbage is more concentrated. The robot can efficiently handle concentrated debris in a spiral pattern. If this V3x bumps into any obstacle when vacuuming, it will automatically schedule more suitable cleaning routine. There are 4 suction mode options for 4 different types of surface, like quiet 500 Pascal, normal 1000 Pascal, strong 1500 Pascal, and super strong 3000 Pascal. And yeah, there are 3 modes of water usage adjustment, like gentle, standard and strong. The ILIFE V3x works perfectly fine on hard floors, but what about other floors? Okay, I have different types of carpets and I have different types of floors, like wooden floors, ceramics and many other floors. People have different types of choice and different types of floors, I understand that. And in my home, the ILIFE V3x works perfectly fine on different type of floors. Yeah, different people have different type of choices. Some people have wooden floors, some people have ceramics floor, someone has hard floors and someone has carpets. Well, I have tested this on many different floors and this one has performed very well. It has offered 100% performance on different floors. And when this ILIFE V3x detects a carpet, it will automatically choose the super strong suction mode, which goes up to 3000 Pascal, and yeah, that is very effective in cleaning carpets. It is capable of crossing obstacles of up to 20 millimeters, so it can easily vacuum over carpets and can go through different type of carpets. The high-speed brushless motor ensures thorough cleaning on various surfaces, automatically boosts suction power to 3000 Pascal to thoroughly clean large particles and debris, leaving no place for dust to hide. As it can clean all the corners and everything so easily, these days I feel so satisfied that I have a very clean home again. Well, before we talk about the application, let's talk about the battery. ILIFE V3x is equipped with a 2900 mAh battery And yeah, it can work for more than 2 hours once it is fully charged. It takes around 6 hours to get fully charged. It has an auto charge function, which I really like. The robot can sense low power during the cleaning process and automatically activates this self-charge mode and search for the charging dock. It's very easy to download the ILIFE Home application, as the application is available on Google Play Store and on Apple App Store. It is also compatible with Alexa and Google Home for seamless voice control. We can check the cleaning area, cleaning time, battery, and status of the robot. The application will draw a cleaning map with the vacuuming of the robot simultaneously. We can press the recharge button to recharge or press the home button to activate the auto charge. The application of ILIFE V3x also comes with a remote control, so we can control the destinations. In the remote control, we can select edge mode, spot mode, and schedule cleaning routine. Inside the settings, there are a lot of features and functions. The first one is to schedule a time. For example, when my kid goes to school, I have scheduled that this ILIFE V3x will only clean my kid's room, and I have also scheduled that this ILIFE V3x will clean my room when I'm sleeping at night. Yeah, why at night? Won't it make big sound, big noise? No, this one doesn't actually make big sound or any loud noise. The noise is less than 60 decibel, so even when I'm sleeping and dreaming something nice, ILIFE V3x does its work. Well, inside the application, we can also check the cleaning history and maintenance. Inside maintenance, we can check the condition of side brush, main brush, and filter. When the life of these parts are less than 50%, then it means we will need to replace these things to achieve the best cleaning effect. Underneath maintenance, we can adjust suction settings from quiet, normal, strong, and super strong. We can also cycle through the water usage like gentle, standard, and strong. There are 2 cleaning modes to choose: S-shaped cleaning and auto cleaning. If we need to vacuum the carpet, we can open the carpet feature. Well, we can also find the robot, check firmware update, Wi-Fi information, and reset it to factory default on this application. Okay, as this application is a self-explanatory one, this one will actually guide you through all the features. I didn't even check or open the user manual, it's inside the box. Also, some people may ask, why didn't I do the unboxing thing? I didn't buy this one to do a review video. I've been using this ILIFE V3x for the past couple of weeks, and when I have unboxed it, I didn't record any unboxing video. After I've used it, well, I'm truly convinced that this is one of the best value for money 2-in-1 robot vacuum cleaner available on the market. Well, that's all about this robot vacuum and mop master. Yeah, I have given it a name, Robot Vacuum and Mopping Master. I actually like their slogan, double the clean and half the hassle. That's really a true statement about this ILIFE V3x. I have left a link of this product in the description box. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. I'm fighting inside.